In the realm of this dynamic marketing world, having a website is necessary. But how to create a website for free? To create a website, you need to follow several steps. So, remember one thing, the website which you will build is dedicated for landing pages and portfolio purposes. Okay, and the domain which you will use, it's created by the website, so that's why the domain will contain the website name as well. Also, in this website will not be hosting on the Google search. These are all the factors that you should know before watching this video to save your time. Our motive is to save your time, not to kill your time. Okay, so watch the video till the end to know all the insights of creating a website. So here is the website Pantheon. Now you have to click on the get started button. I think I already log in. Yeah, I already log in. I'm not sign in, but you can do it by adding your Google ID. Okay, so moving forward to this, now click on the create new site button. Okay, after that select on the WordPress. There are multiple options. It will take time to load. Actually my internet is slow. Okay, now you have to add your website name. Okay, select the religion. Okay, and continue. Now after several information, you have to redirect to this new page, and you have to, okay, no thanks, we have to click this one as of now, and then we have to click on the site admin button to install the WordPress. Okay, now choose your language. Now rewrite your profile name, your website name, and the user ID also, and then the password and your email ID. Then you have to install the WordPress. See how I'm doing. Now after this, click on the install. Yeah, now you have to copy the username. Okay, and log in, paste the username with the password. Okay, which we have put it on this file, and log in. Now you can use WordPress, okay, for the landing page purposes or portfolio purposes. Yeah, the problem with this, like, you will not get a dedicated domain for this. Like, as you can see on the screen, the domain is not dedicated, but you can use it for landing pages, portfolio, or small your own website purposes.